Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a simple trick to make your Android smartphone fast. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. So in the settings option, you have to search for About Phone. Now go to your phone. Now press on your About Phone. Now here you can see the option of software information. Go for it. Now here you can see the build number. You have to press here until you unlock your developer option. You have to press here about 7 times. Now go back to your settings. Press on this search icon and search for developer option. Here you can see the option of developer options. You have to press on this. Now here you have to search for 3 options: window animation skill, transition animation skill, and animated duration skill. Search for it. So here is the options. First of all, you have to select the window animation skill. Now select here animation skill 0.5x. Now go to transition animation skill. Select here animation skill 0.5x. Now press on animated duration skill. You also have to select here animation skill 0.5x. That's it. So this is the simple trick to make your Android smartphone faster. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.